Greetings. In this tutorial, we are going to look at how you can add alternative text to your image on LinkedIn from your mobile phone. So to begin, you go and click on the LinkedIn app on your phone. I'm here in my home. Just click to refresh this. Okay, then we have a post here below. Click on that plus sign. Here you can put in what you want to talk about. Then to add your image, you come here below on the left. You click here on this icon, and then you select an image that you would want to use. Then you click add one. So we have different options here. The first one is edit. In case you want to adjust, rotate or zoom the image, then we have here brightness, contrast, and number of things. Click done. Then if you want to add the text overlay on the image, this is where you type it. Okay, so here is where you can type. There are different font types here, to make it a headline. The color can be changed from here depending on what you want, and you click done. Then for alternative text, you come here, click on alt, and here is where you give a description for this image. Okay, make sure it's as descriptive as much as possible so that it can help even those who are visually impaired for the screen reader to interpret what this image is about. When you're done, you click here on done, and then the alternative text is saved. And then when you click here next, and then if you're ready with your image and you feel it's satisfactory, the alternative text and all changes, then you click on post to have your image shared. Thank you.